All right. You want me to do it?
Or you can record me doing it, yeah.
I'll record you doing it.
Okay.
All right.
All right. The beeper is indicating that we have a full bale. So you want to unlock the baler strap bar, press the stop button momentarily to silence the alarm, open this hatch, and then there are arrows, 2 arrows on this aluminum plate that indicate where the strap bars are. And you can take this hook and put it in there and get a hold of the bar. If it's too tight, you can always back up the ram just a little bit. Oops, I have to have the door shut. This is where the scissors come in. Take your bar out, unhook the strapping, tie it in a knot. Do that on both sides. And you want to make sure the side that you can pull freely is the side that comes from the roll. You want to use the one that's tight. And then you close the lid, and then you can open the eject door, press and hold the stop button, open the door, put the lid down, and then manually run the ram out, and it'll push the bale right out into the bag. Just like that. That's, at this point, where you're going to use your cart. And you'll want to roll the bale, pull it away, and just roll the bale right up onto the cart. At this point, some people will just fold it down and they'll use a packaging tape to hold it closed. What I usually do is I just get 2 corners of the bag and I tie it in a knot. And then you can roll your cart away. And then at this point, you're ready to retie your straps and feed it back through this. Drop it in. Make sure it comes all the way down and clears this blade, because if you don't, it'll chop that bar. Okay, and then we're going to run the ram backwards. And this is where you're gonna hook your twine. Bring it around up here and underneath. And I usually loop it around a second time just to keep it from pulling through. But you do that on both sides. Gotta make sure you have enough twine to Okay. Leave those like there. This is where you put the bag on. Hook it, snap it in place, close your door, run the ram all the way backwards to its home position, and turn your lock back on. And you're ready to shred.